Okay, just look at the camera. Good luck on you. Push up quick. I try to interruption from anywhere. I'm going to stay clear here now. Good luck in it. You want your body? It's a moment while you want your black man. Okay, black man woman. So, okay, going to be Bibi. No more black man. Go on, Yabi.
One my grandfather.
Like your grandfather? Your
grandmother. One name.
My baby. No more one black man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, more than 10 times I didn't get my coin. Okay, more than 10 times ever. I live for taking gun. More than Pacasolo. Yawoli Lapasink. Yawa. Il me kana more cable. I for 2 days ago here. If you don't what I here, the next 10 minutes, give one anchor on your boss. This anchor, we destroy your anchor. When you batch your anchor,
I'm my jack and batch.
Hello, Tishi Batcha. Who's up with you, my friend?
It is
so. It's your handcuff, the lager. Hello, this is the West of the Batcha.
Small. Already so, where here but you saw the logo is this small.
You destroy handcuff. So, you usually work on where you get me more than he can raise up. It usually work out. But the religion can never win his way. Yawala no bacala. Take by any uncompleted building. The Bawala cannot destroy. Maybe make iron, give pull zinc, pull out billion. Go go ammo cable. In the NEPA EDC. But here I go about government property.
Yes, sir.
You know where. So can you manage to destroy? Can you got prayer? Yeah?
So the thing the all contract customer pronounce
All from up. So here look at the cut on way.
Parallel the way.
Yeah, cut on la gap here.
Into straight from my pronounce.
Label coco.
Those
Lozava. So okay, look at the wire about cable. Now put it because how somebody has information. Now they be produce a more cable. I am Russia. I say so. Why the truth? Can they be cut to this wire? Now which of the pole? This thing, be careful now. I'm going to get them provoke. Can they be cut to this thing? Ask him. Can they be cut here for the last time now? Where? Which of the pole?
The first one, that first place in the police, you know.
Yeah?
That one the first poll, you know, after the police people know that with this man, you know, I don't know hotel outside the goes up.
The guy for a major hotel.
Oh, yeah.
Before immigration. The back he got to here.
Yes.
They don't need to see I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I went to me before.
Huh?
I went to Boma before.
You went there before?
Sorry, the first time I went there.
Okay, try your first time over there. They want to got I'm okay with my long government property. Or the my long government property.
I'm not government property.
The guy decided to vandalize it, I bought a guy back. Give with the audacity, he bought so here, what handcuff I bought, so guy destroyed this handcuff. Cut of this handcuff. Now, okay, no problem. Remember, I got my. Or will any of your relation be here?
One of Ebuka.
Huh?
Ebuka.
Can they born up now?
Oh no, Lime village.
Lime village, Lime
village,
Umejaya. How one Umejaya? A lot of people actually related.
Oh, one name my one name my grandmother.
One name
my grandmother.
Okay, Ebuka one name.
Ebuka Ikechi.
Oh, your relation, eh? Okay. Don't be Lumejaya. Langola Lumejaya.
Yeah, Huh?
Umo benna.
So what?
Oh yeah. I able to be this person here, I able to tell more than 10 times this place. I able to police. The last time I able to this man here, I able to that universal basic education after immigration. Oh yeah, vandalized that building completely. A million of that compound. Vandalized there. Yeah, caught here. So the last one I did here, my boy, the caretaker of that place, Paul. There I had my boy, Bolakuma, Ishinga. Mama, who work at Webers again. Yeah, we arranged all of these were Gawala office in the civil defense. Even the civil defense. So I think that time court no strike. That is why they did not charge him. Because I did that time with evidence. These millions in the Lille. Or court never. He spent more than 1 month. So there was no, I think the court was on strike and that's why the boy was not charged. So after like a month or thereabout, I had the boy again, his criminal activities. So this boy and all of the Lubakala, that cause nuisance, that constitutes a lot of problem here, you know. So can now one guy Timothy here, but I am that.
One na comment wee na-asị na kamgbe ofu aka ya alụta mma n'ozu ọha ọnụ na si gbujidi ofu aka ya na nke onu na-atụ na oge ọbụla akpụta ya na kọstọdi unu emechakwa ọgbafere nke bụ na unu kere ịga ọkụ hapụ ego unu kere ya dịkwa ọsọ nwaajụ na unu welu mma gbujiri ya mkpịsị aka maọbụ na egbujiri anya bụ otu aka ya ka ama ka o yesi wee jetọkwa waya ndị ọzọ. Amakwụkwọ nnọkwa ifafo na kọmentị ka m goro unu na-asị si gbujiri ya mkpịsị aka ya maọbụ si gbujiri ya aka ya ka a mara aka o eji atọkọsịkwa waya ndị mmadụ ekperi m azụrụ azụ.